everyone, I do hope you're well. I've got an order for some cat earrings and I love these. These are made of, they're multicoloured resin. Each one is different, but I think they're lovely. I've got some 925 earring wires, 4 6mm silver jump rings, jewellery display card. Just going to put the label onto this one. Right, that's that done. I've got 2 pairs of pliers to open and close the jump rings. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete beginner. So we take a jump ring. I've got a video all about opening and closing jump rings. Now I try to match up 2 relatively the same. I think, I mean, no 2 are the same, but I think I'm gonna do those. Yeah, we'll do those. So I've opened the jump ring quite wide. We need to get it through the cat's head. And then we close that one. Can you see that? Can you see that closed? I'll just do that to another one. I've been ever so busy today. I've got lots of orders to get out. But in between, I've had to take my daughter to the hospital. She's in her 4th year of medical school, so she doesn't drive, and the buses where I live are terrible. They've actually stopped. I think we've only got 3 buses that come in a day now, so it's always, Mum, can you pick me up? But I don't mind. I'd rather pick her up than walk the streets at God knows what hours. There's that one. Close that one. Is that one closed? Then we're going to take another one and we're going to thread this through this jump ring on top of the cat and the earring wire, and then close. There's that one. There's the cat, tails this side, so the earring wire is going that side. Here's that one. Just do the other one. Open the jump ring. Towel that side. Jump ring. Earring wire. And then close. And I'll just put some stoppers to the backs of those. We just put some stoppers on the back. If you have placed an order with me, thank you so much. And if you want to check out my website, I'll link it below for you, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I have also just, luckily I don't have to make a pair up, but I've got those going out today as well. So they're like shabby chic, so they're gold plated. So again, all of this you can buy on the website, so I'll link that below for you. So thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care and happy crafting.